Hello and welcome to our channel Doing Business Tanzania. Today I'm going to discuss with you top 6 investment sectors that you can invest in Tanzania. And these sectors are according to the National Investment Report of 2024, according to TISEZA, but also according to our own data based on our clients that we receive on a regular basis. So let's start with number 6. Sector number 6 is mining. Mining is one of the top 6 sectors, very lucrative, has varieties of minerals where investors can diversify from gold. There are many investors in gold, from small scale, medium scale to large scale. Then there is coal. Coal is also, there is a huge demand of coal abroad, so there is a lot of investors coming in for the coal. But also we have industrial minerals like gypsum for construction or for making cement. But also one of the very lucrative business also in mining is mining of aggregates. This is for infrastructure development, kokoto. But also graphite is also very popular in Tanzania in these 2 or 3 years. Graphite is critical for batteries and EV industry, electrical vehicle industries. But also, without forgetting, marble and dolomite also are very popular and lucrative, and you can see many investors are going in, both local and foreign investors. That is number 6. Now let's go to number 5. At number 5, I believe agriculture is also very lucrative and attracts many investors from both local and foreign. Investment in agriculture, especially in edible oil farming, but also oil seed processing, wheat and sugar plantations. Those are very much needed here in Tanzania. Then of course there is horticulture, floriculture for export, especially avocado and other related horticulture. But also we have in agriculture many companies or many business people coming from abroad, coming to buy cereals for export. Then there is also irrigation and mechanization services. This is also a very important area for investment in agriculture. Number 4 is tourism. Tourism is one of the leading sector in Tanzania. There are opportunities in hotels, lodges, resorts, especially in the major destination. But also ecotourism and sustainable travel ventures, cultural and heritage tourism. Those are areas that attract investors, but also conferences and event facilities, usually called as MICE tourism. That is number 4. Number 3, we go to commercial buildings. There is huge developments in office complexes and business parks, shopping malls, and mixed-use centers. You can see, for instance, in Dar es Salaam, there are many shopping malls, big shopping malls coming in just in Dar es Salaam, like about 6 shopping malls are being constructed here in Dar es Salaam. But also residential towers and modern apartments. Huge development in modern apartments, and the demand is still high. So despite the development, you can still come and invest in modern apartment, but also affordable housing. Then there is also warehousing and industrial park. There is huge investment in warehouses and industrial park because of the development in manufacturing. There is a huge development in manufacturing, so there is a need for warehousing and also for industrial parks. Of course, there are many investors also, they are investing in industrial parks, but they are not enough. Let's go. Can you guess number 2 and number 1? Okay, you can comment below if you want to guess. But let me take you through now number 1 and number 2. Number 2 sector that is doing well in Tanzania is transportation and logistics. And this is possible because you will see why transportation is also gaining momentum. It's because of number 1. So I'll tell you why later after you know number 1. But on transportation, we all know that the government has invested a lot in transportation infrastructure, like standard gauge railway, port expansion, and the modernization. Aviation services also, of course, airport upgrades is being done. Then there are logistics hubs being created, like Kuala, but also trucking and the freight services are being developed. So number 1 are very much dependent. So let's go to number 1. Number 1, the leading sector in Tanzania is manufacturing. Manufacturing, especially for products such as sugar, cement and fertilizers, glass and steel industries, cashews and agro-processing, and motor vehicle assembly and the light industries. These are the most leading products that are in manufacturing. Now, because of the manufacturing, you may understand that because of there is a lot of manufacturing, so they need transportation. You are producing sugar, you are producing cement, you need transportation. So the demand for transportation comes from the manufacturing. So these two sectors are interdependent and they are growing parallel. You can see a lot of demand for motor vehicle trucks. People are importing, buying trucks, but they're not enough. So if you are thinking of investing in Tanzania, the two major sectors are manufacturing and transportation, followed by commercial buildings, because obviously they also needed warehouses to store the goods, and industrial parks for other investors to come and put their machineries for processing and the manufacturing. Then obviously tourism, because of the nature of the country, we have a lot of attractions. The demand is high, and the demand for hotels and the lodges is high. Then of course, because of arable land and the good weather and everything, you can produce, actually in Tanzania, produce any crop you want, because of there is a variety of weathers, cold, warm and arid. You get all the weather which all the crop can be grown. But also number 6 is mining. As I said, we have plenty of minerals here in Tanzania, and many investors, especially from outside, they are doing mining, while locals are doing small scale mining. Thank you. Let me know if you have any comment or opinion. Just comment below. We can discuss more on opportunities. But also just to conclude, to let you know that our company MG Empire can help you to make sure that you get these opportunities and you invest in Tanzania. We can help you all the processes from A to Z until you operate your business. Thank you.